Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial it's going to be a Canva PC trick, how to use frames and grids for faster designs in Canva. So guys, you want to make your layout super fast in Canva. Let's use frames and grids on PC. So I already have a design opened up on Canva. You can go ahead and open up your blank canvas or your design and simply make use of it for this tutorial. Now, once you're on Canva, just simply head over to the Elements tab. So click on Element at the top left, and then simply search for an element. So the element we're going to be searching for is known as grids. They are basically grid lines that houses pictures. And now all you need to do with these grids is simply hold and drag onto your screen and simply drag and drop. So it's a basic drag and drop feature. So drop it onto your Canva design. And once it's dropped, you can simply add images onto it. So where you have your grid, it's gonna, auto size your images. If there are images on the screen, it's gonna auto size them. So once your grid is selected, you can also make use of frames, as this is also possible. It's kind of like creative shapes. Let's go ahead and clear this and simply enter frames. So simply search for frames you can use. Frames simply come in different shapes and sizes. Click on see all. Once you search for frames, go ahead and select the frame you'd like to use. You could go with any shape or any frame you want, and you can simply add your images to the frame of your choosing. All right, so once you're done adding the frame onto the canvas, you can simply head over to uploads and then simply drag and drop your images into the frames, and then they would automatically snap into place. So you can just drag and drop them here. As you can see, I did that for this, and you can have it look like this with the shape there. Just drag and drop, and it's going to snap right into place. So guys, also add text and icons to simply finish the design, and you're done. And a quick tip: frames are perfect for profile pictures and mockups. They look super professional actually. And use grids and frames today and watch how much faster your designs get. So guys, that's how you can go about this. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.